Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore something truly exciting and fun, the amazing transformation of small to giant cars. Imagine starting with a compact little car that fits anywhere easily, and then watching it grow into a massive machine that feels unstoppable. This review is all about that thrilling experience, covering the looks, the feel, and even the value you get from these unique rides. When we talk about the exterior, the small cars come with sharp designs, vibrant colors, and compact styling that make them perfect for city driving. Their smaller frames are sleek and light, easy to park and easy to handle. But as they grow into giant versions, the design transforms into something bold and intimidating. The bigger body, powerful stance, and oversized wheels make them look like beasts on the road. It's an eye-catching shift from cute and practical to massive and commanding. Inside, the small cars give you a cozy and simple interior. Basic but comfortable seating, enough technology for your daily needs, and a compact cabin that feels minimalistic. Once the car grows larger, the interior becomes incredibly spacious, offering luxury-style comfort with huge legroom, advanced dashboards, and an overall premium feel. The difference is like moving from a compact apartment into a grand mansion on wheels, and that's one of the most exciting parts of the transformation. Performance is where things get even more interesting. Small cars are quick, fuel-efficient, and nimble, making them ideal for daily commutes and busy streets. But as they become giant cars, the power increases dramatically. You get a roar from the engine, more speed, and a level of strength that allows them to climb steep ramps and tackle extreme challenges. The driving experience changes from light and easy to thrilling and powerful, almost like handling a monster truck but with a stylish design. When it comes to prices, small cars remain the most affordable option, perfect for budget-conscious drivers who want practicality. As you move towards the giant versions, the prices climb significantly. The added size, advanced features, and extreme performance come at a higher cost, but for enthusiasts who love unique machines, it feels worth it. Overall, the small to giant cars concept is all about experiencing two worlds in one. From compact and efficient to massive and powerful, they offer something exciting for every type of driver. This makes them not just vehicles but a thrilling adventure on wheels.